afternoon, everybody. We're heading to the Brighton Peak parking lot. We're going to be heading up to Carlton Peak. And we're driving in the Travato.
Look, no hands.
And guys being funny.
No hands again.
And then
Stuff like that. Hey.
Hey, peace, justice,
we're heading.
George Floyd.
Hell yeah.
Hell
There
yeah.
you go.
Black Lives Matter.
See you in a few.
Good afternoon, everybody. June 7th, about 3 o'clock.
Oh.
It rained all last night. Day one on the trail, just to let everybody know. We started at John Vic by Agnes Lake drop-off, 19 miles to Brighton Peak in day one. Awesome day. Now we're starting day two. We're going to go up to Carlton Peak over to Temperance. So we're on the trail. Josh is joining us today.
Hey.
And up the trail, there's Mr. Guy Jansen, infamous.
Sir Lord, Mr. Uncle Guy.
All right, talk to everybody later on the trail. We're getting up closer to Carlton Peak. I think we may have about a quarter mile, a little more. The hiking crew's hard at it, but I wanted to show you. You can hardly see it, but the mist in the trees up at the next peak up above, hard to see. More in a little bit. Just to give everybody a flavor of the trail, since it rained last night, we just found out we got 1.69 inches of rain. And this is the trail. Looks like a miniature stream, little creek bed that we're walking up. Those two amazing hikers in front of me are just doing awesome. Hiking the trail, loving it.
I brought binoculars.
Hi everybody. Back again real quick. We stopped at this one spot, and if you look up, just this big massive outcrop of a rock. And if you listen, you see all the water running off of it. Just got this cool trickle. Is that what you called it yesterday, Guy? Trickle? Or tinkle? Tinkle.
Trickle is the politically correct word.
Trickle.
No, for the water.
Oh.
Trinkling.
I thought we were
Trinkling.
making a joke
Trinkling.
here.
That's what it was. It wasn't tinkle, it was
Trinkling.
trinkling.
Trinkling, of course. We'll split the difference.
Like Bambi.
Yep.
You know, Bambi's drinking in a little babbling brook and it's trickling along and BAM! Somebody kills him.
Poor Bambi.
Good afternoon, everybody. We are at the peak of Carlton Summit. And what a view. Sorry for the wind if it's in the mic. I'm gonna rotate you guys and I apologize. What do you think, Josh?
I think it says San Marino.
Wait, right there?
Yeah.
That's got it. No, that's.
We're on top of Carlton Peak, and it is an awesome view. Holy cow. Gina was right that we needed to come up here. So I'm trying to work my way down slowly without falling. So the video bouncing. But it is so cool. Just gonna show you out in the distance, there's the taconite mine off the shore. But if I just slowly scan all the different area, Guy and Josh, we're just walking off of Carlton Peak, just kind of heading back to the top. But I just wanted to take one more pan out. This is such a gorgeous view. Just a gorgeous view. Wouldn't be happier sitting up here right now with Guy and Josh and being able to hike up here. Just an awesome day. I just want to say thanks, guys, for coming up and sharing this all together. What a great second day. Just coming up on the Temperance River overlook. Just a beautiful view. Water's a little murky after all the rain. Can definitely tell we're in iron ore country. It's got the little bit of a brownish, reddish tinge.
Uh-huh.
Uh-huh.
Gotta get me some of them French fried potatoes on.
What do you think, Josh?
I don't have any words, that's for sure.
Well, we're on the Temperance River. There's one falls there. There's another rapids there. We're just hiking along. We dropped down off this hiking trail, and we're just walking along the edge, kind of a spur trail, but just gorgeous, epic views. Well, I hope this does this justice. And again, you can see the chocolate color, but just gorgeous. There's Josh out on a rock, and yes, Mom, he is being safe. Guy's down there trying to take some extra footage. Spectacular, epic. All words to describe the day we're having. at another falls on Temperance. Starts up there. There's actually a gentleman up there that's doing some artwork. And then as you come down, they have this walkway. Guys taking some video or pictures. I'm just going to step closer. Check. Then we have Josh is watching. Pretty cool, huh, Josh?